You want the monkey? Do you want the monkey? Get the monkey! Come on, Oscar, hustle, hustle. We've been training for this, guys. We got a bunch to do in today's video. We got the new steering wheel from Carbontastic for the Aventador. Audi R8, well, yeah, more to come. Ladies and gentlemen, good morning. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the vlog, and welcome back to another perfect day here in the beautiful state of Utah. We got Aventador mods, the Audi R8. We got big news. I gotta sell that car ASAP. I have found its replacement, but I cannot buy it until I sell it. And so this is the last time you will ever see this car in the garage. Probably, most likely. I've said that before. Hopefully I don't have to say it again. I think we've discovered the issue with the squeaky door. Obviously not squeaking right now. We are gonna be replacing this gas strut. I have it on order from Italy. Could arrive someday, but well, anyways, this is the old steering wheel for the Aventador. We're gonna be replacing this today. In other news, the Gladiator is tentatively set to arrive tomorrow. Bear in mind, there's a very good chance it's not going to arrive tomorrow, but it is supposed to arrive tomorrow. Also, Clayton wrapped the wing base purple to match. What do you think? Did we make the right choice? I think it ties in the design that much better. I've been wrong before and I'll be wrong again, but personally, I dig it. Anyways, steering wheel. The new steering wheel from Carbontastic, carbon fiber glory, perforated leather, orange stitching. We are going to be replacing the old ratty steering wheel in today's video. Bear in mind, this is not a tutorial on how to change a steering wheel, and so if an airbag blows up in your face, do not send me a lawsuit, okay? Send it to somebody else, not me. Not a tutorial, but if you do want to change the steering wheel on your 2012 Lamborghini Aventador, this is all you should need, theoretically. We'll see. There's a screw right here and a screw right there. We need to remove both of those. I'm sorry for this incredibly awkward angle, but it just sort of is what it is. We have not disconnected the battery, so if the airbag does blow up in my face, enjoy this view because it's not going to look like this any longer. So rotate the steering wheel 180 degrees, turn off the music. Copyright. I got copyrighted for the Lion King bit, by the way. Heyo! We need to disconnect that. Phew, the airbag on a 2012 Lamborghini Aventador. So we need to remove this nut right here. Theoretically, the whole steering wheel should just pop off. Maybe. It's not a tutorial, so I have no idea what kind of bit this even is, but this is the bit you put in right there to remove the nut. So, lefty-loosey, righty-tighty. A lot of force. I'm doing it with one hand while holding the camera, but I'll get it. I'll get it. There we go. My calculations are correct. This should just, ayo! Check that out. No way. Old steering wheel, new steering wheel. We're making a big time upgrade. The Alcantara on the old one is all worn out. This perforated leather is so nice. Guys, if you want a custom steering wheel for your car, check out Carbontastic. Link in the description below. Audi, Porsche, Ferrari, Lamborghini, McLaren. Basically, if you have a car and you want a cool steering wheel, check out Carbontastic. Link in the description below. The steering wheel delete on a Lamborghini Aventador. Cool to see the intricate details of the steering column. Of course, paddle shifters there on the left and the right. However, the new steering wheel looks so good. Whoa, huge upgrade from Carbontastic. So we are dropping the Aventador here in the garage. We're hopping in the R8 and we're selling the R8, kind of. This is the Dyson V8 Absolute. Sounds pretty good. This is a stock Audi R8 V8. I don't know why I sold the exhaust. Just like last week with the Wrangler, first stop is CarMax. We're gonna get a free appraisal. Welcome here to CarMax. So I brought the R8 to CarMax about a year and a half ago. They offered me $60,000, but it had like 33,000 miles on it, and today it has 48,643. 2009 Audi R8 V8. It has the R-Tronic. It has the carbon pack as well. Pretty good shape overall. We're here at CarMax. We're gonna get the free appraisal. I'm not gonna take you guys inside. I'm actually gonna leave you in the car, so yeah. Unfortunately, we did not sell the R8 to CarMax. They offered me $48,000. I think it's worth $56,000, so we're gonna head to make some models and I'm gonna drop it off for consignment. I didn't realistically expect to sell the R8 to CarMax because they're offering wholesale numbers and I wanna try to get retail for this. So $48,000 is kind of like the baseline. Retail is usually like 10 to 15 to 20% more. Yeah, that's fair. 55,000, 56,000, I think that's what this is worth. Makes and models, we got the R8 V8 with the front bumper delete looking sharp. We got the LP560 Spider Mustang GT with purple stripes. Nick Burlacker. I almost said his real name. Burlacker, where are you at? Check out the stripes on this Mustang GT. I think Nick should put purple stripes on his GT 350. I thought these were purple, they're actually blue. And then we have the nice white LP 560. Luke, sell my R8 for me. Sell it for me.
Too easy.
Can you V10? Looks so good. Abby, I need you to sell my R8. Get rid of it. Take it off my hands. If you guys did not see the last vlog, I dropped off the guy over here for the open house, so I'm leaving the R8. It's gonna be consigned. I'm gonna set it at $56,000. Hopefully it sells. We'll kind of sort of see, but I'm gonna take the guy right home. Storm is brewing out in the West Desert. This is the last time you guys are ever gonna see the Audi R8. I'm dropping it off here and make some models for consignment. I'm hoping to get $55,000 for it, so if you're interested in buying it, buy it, like buy it. We're hopping in the Gallardo, we're headed home, we're getting the Aventador, we're meeting up with Clayton, and we're taking both of these that way to the Salt Flats, where it's rainy and muddy and we get Lambo stuck. Good news, the weather is kind of sort of cleared. Bad news, I get 9 miles to the gallon. Clayton and Faith coming in clutch, detailing the cars here at the house. There is a Utah Highway Patrol officer right up there. I'm not gonna say that the window tint on Clayton's Cayman is illegal, but we're just gonna tuck in behind the piano movers. Don't mind me, I'm just sweltering over here. My dog's about to die because we're in a fishbowl with no window tint. But don't mind us. I don't need to downshift. But I did. That car looks so good, I'm telling you. The Gallardo is a timeless design. Whoa. Oscar, that's our flight! That's our flight! In 3, 2, 1. Yeah, I'm just kidding. We're headed out to the Bonneville Salt Flats. We're not taking the flight anywhere. At least not right now. At least I don't think we are. We spent $75 on the Gallardo earlier, and well, Oscar, we're not gonna be able to eat anymore. $76.28. We don't get Taco Bell now, bud. I know. There's a Taco Bell right there. Burlacker should be here, but he's late. He's an accountant. He's supposed to be on time. Look at that hair just blowing in the wind. Are you kidding me? Whoa, are you? I'm going bald, guys. I admit it, it's happening. No way, it's Burlacker! What is he doing? I thought he crashed into a wall. We're good, he lived. But he's going the wrong way. Jeez, that Gallardo is no slouch. What? How did he get here? The Salt Flats are covered in water. It's not good. Clayton's Cayman looks so good. Yeah. That's not really what we wanted.
You're not talking about me, are you?
What? How did you not crash?
There's no way you're talking
Hey, whoa. I'm just amazed you didn't crash.
I noticed how suddenly the Aventador is in front of all 4 cars. Like you're in charge of the pack or something.
Or it's Oscar. Oscar's in there. He's in charge.
All right.
Yeah, Oscar's in charge. Isn't that right, Oski? You're in charge, bud. Ooh.
We got a photo shoot going on over here.
Yes, Sal, work it.
Yeah.
Oh, man.
Work it, guy.
Right.
That water's like 9 degrees, you realize, right?
I mean, I wasn't getting roller shots at 90 miles an hour. So.
True, AJ is a true hero. Guys, check this out. Bonneville Salt Flats. Unfortunately, it's more like Bonneville Lake. So the Aventador is just sort of chilling here in the salt. Yes, this is salt on the tires. Don't worry, don't fret. We will be washing the car someday. Oscar, you're so cute. Why are you so cute? But you need a bath though, you're a disaster. Will is in the moment. He's getting the upward corkscrew. It's a very technical drone maneuver that only he can do. I don't know what Nick is talking about out there in the water, but be sure to check check out this channel. Link in the description below. To everybody who thinks I should move to California, you cannot beat the beautiful state of Utah. I'm out here with my two best friends. Oscar is here. We got the Aventador, the Gallardo, all the squad. We got 2 photographers. This is sick, boys. Like, we have officially made it. This is it. This is the moment. Unfortunately, Lake Bonneville exists, but yeah, it's all right. The front end of the Aventador definitely needs to be lowered though. That has been decided. Check this out, ladies and gentlemen. As you might say, we have views on views. AJ is getting the shot. Guys, follow AJ on Instagram. He is the main man. And he also is a Portland Trailblazer fan. We found a wild burlock.
Gotta get the shot, gotta get the shot, gotta commit.
Whoa!
Gotta be
perseverance. You gotta be tenacious, you gotta be relentless, you gotta never ever give up. You gotta be determined and focused and relentless. I already said relentless.
English is not my language. Numbers, accounting, debits, credits, journal entries. That's what I do.
Wow, so yeah, we're gonna be doing a very technical acrobatic move. Kids, if you're watching this, don't try this at home. I'd like to thank my sponsors, Nike, Performance Plus, Airborne Sports, Mobetta's coming soon to a vlog near you, maybe. I'd also like to thank my parents, and I'd like to thank Oscar. He's just pretty cute, so.
Nice job, right there.
Nah, I'm getting a little chubby. I've been eating too much of that steak.
I need a full frame for this kind of shot.
Yeah, don't show the viewers that. That's a terrible shot.
So, you know
sorry.
Can't get the underglow to turn off. So, luckily it's not red and blue right now. Yeah, if I do get pulled over, well, such is life. You see, that's actually the problem right there. I can't get it to turn off. It's, oh, whoa, wait, what? Okay, so I'm an idiot. We're good. We're good. I just received the call of the century tomorrow. Today is Tuesday, tomorrow is Wednesday. That means my Jeep Gladiator is officially, well, it is officially arriving tomorrow, but until like I have the keys in my hand, it's not really here. But yes, the next video is gonna be taking delivery of the Gladiator, so that's very exciting. I think today's video is effectively over. Yeah, it is. As always, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, like squad, be sure to smash that like button. But just like that, this vlog is over, and I'm out. Clayton, sing the song.